Welcome to another video on directions for today. Okay, so if you're watching this video, you already watched my first video, you did the slide deck, and you made your Google Notes. You used the slide deck to complete your notes and your brain, and you turned in your notes. Okay, so now we're gonna do some organization here. And I'm actually gonna delete the tabs I don't need open, and you can also, you're going to want to keep this open, your classroom. So let's split screen this. I don't need my slides. But what you're going to do is open a new tab and go to your Google Drive, right? Let's double check our directions. Go to Google Drive, watch the Google Drive video. Hey, you're doing that. And then we're going to make some folders in our Google Drive so we can keep it organized. Okay, I'm telling you this so yours does not look like mine. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, so as you can see, I've got some folders in here, but then I have a lot of stuff in here that's just like taking up space and it's not organized. And so we're gonna try to prevent your Google Drive from looking like mine. And then we'll go in here and clean this up. But for you, this is what you need to do. To make a folder, you select New, Folder, and notice the titles that we're doing. So you're going to make one for science, you're going to make one for math, okay, you're going to make one for social studies, okay, and then you could click create. Alright, so let's open up our new folder, and you're going to do this for all these. Now, do you see where it says drop files here or use the new button? So here's what you can do. Open up a new tab, because if you look at number 7, it says move your social studies notes and your slide deck to your new social studies folder. So let's start with our notes. If you open Google Docs, your notes should be here saved as a Google Doc. And it's probably going to be the most recent thing, North American colonization, right? And it should have your name on it, and it will be filled out looking glorious. So to move this into a folder, it's pretty simple. You might want this a little bit larger. Next to the title, you will, that was my cat. He got stuck on a blanket. I don't know if you heard that or not. He just made a really crazy noise. Sorry, buddy. Okay. So what was I saying? You're moving this to a folder. Okay, so next to the title, you'll see a star, and then the folder. The folder is what's going to allow you to, you guessed it, move it to a folder. So when you click the folder, okay, this is going to be somewhere crazy. Just click the back button all the way until you see My Drive. Okay, so once you're in My Drive, find the folder that you're looking for. In this case, it's Social Studies. Click on Social Studies. It will say folder is empty, and then you click Move here. Now in your Drive, you see your folder, okay, or your document. Same thing with the Google Slide. So when you are, and you know what, let's do something new. If you click New and then Google Slides, nah, that's not gonna work. All right, let's exit out of our doc, open up a new tab, go to Slides. Same thing, find the slide that is, it's probably going to be the most recent. And if you don't see the arrow, you need to make this larger, or I should say the folder. Here it is. Click Move, and then click the back button all the way until you see My Drive. For My Drive, find your folder. In this case, it's Social Studies, and move here. We can exit out of this, and then we'll see our folder. And so like from here, you can make subfolders. So for example, you can make a new folder, click File. No, we don't want to click File Upload. Click New. No, what did I just do? Okay, let's exit out of that. Okay, let's try that again. Click New Folder, and let's say we want to make this North America. So everything about North America goes in this folder. The folder will show up, and I think you can drag this. So just pick up the document and drag it to the folder. All right, and so then you've got another folder. Now this will be cool because eventually you're gonna need to make a folder that is South America. And then all the things that we learn about will go into your South America folder, but we're not there yet, okay? We're in North America for now. So again, going back to your directions in Classroom, all you're doing is opening your drive. You're adding the following folders. Science, math, social studies, ELA art, fine arts, and enrichment. After you've added these folders, then you can go ahead and move your notes from today into your social studies folder, okay? And this is just the start of you having an organized Google Drive. Thank you for watching, and watch this as many times as you need to help you. Questions, please put them in the chat.